It's just going to be beautiful. It's going to be just as nice, a little bit cooler, though, as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Live look outside, not a cloud to be found out there, thanks to a big dome of high pressure sitting right on top of us. We're going to have another reinforcing shot of cold air coming with us tonight with another cold front, and that's going to bring no widespread rain to the area and set off October on Sunday on a very quiet note. Not a whole lot going on in that 7-day forecast aside from sunshine and relatively cool temperatures. Right now we're sitting at 71. Look at these dew points down in the low 50s, something you typically find later on in the fall, but it certainly feels like autumn out there so far this afternoon. 68 in Surrey, 71 Chesapeake, 73 in Newport News, 69 in Ahoskie, 75 Williamsburg, 71 in Virginia Beach, 69 in Wachapreague, and 74 already in Elizabeth City. You see the pair of cold fronts. One came through last night, which dropped our temperatures nearly 12 degrees from what we topped out at yesterday. And we have another one heading our way. You see a few more showers associated with that off to the north. Those will stay there. We're just going to get another push of that cooler air, dropping temperatures back a little bit by the weekend. 71 on Saturday, and the lowest we'll get is around 70 on Sunday. Some spots might not even get out of the 60s. Sunday afternoon, waking up in the morning, I wouldn't be surprised some spots in the upper 40s farther inland. But we do eventually start to warm back up. By the middle of the week, we're back into the upper 70s, and I think the lower 80s, even if not mid 80s, are back in the forecast by the end of next week. So here's how it pans out on Futurecast going through the next couple hours here. Into tonight, once that sun sets, heading out to the Friday night football games, it's going to get kind of chilly out there. You might want to grab the coats. Down into the 50s overnight tonight, widespread. And then tomorrow afternoon, here we are at 2:30. Seeing temperatures only topping out pretty much where we are right now, 71, 72. Could see a few clouds mixing on in Saturday night, but aside from that, it's going to be a clear and crisp overnight, and Sunday shapes up to be the coolest. Quick check on the tropics. Still have two systems out there now, a pair of tropical storms. Maria and Lee both rapidly weakening as they sweep off to the northeast. Now, two areas we're watching. One that has a better chance of becoming an organized tropical system would be named Nate. That's right over western parts of Cuba. That will be slowly moving its way northwards with some heavy rain into southern Florida. Not looking like a huge threat there. Another area that we're watching can kind of start to see a little bit of a pivot in the atmosphere here out towards the Leeward Islands. Again, very far out. That one has about a 20% chance of development here. This part of the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and then over to the Gulf of Mexico, very, very warm. Waters there running 2 to 5 degrees above normal for this time of the year. So a lot of available fuel. And this one here that we're watching over western Cuba, about a 40% chance of becoming Nate in the next 48 hours. So this afternoon, 75, mostly sunny and comfortable. Tonight we drop back to 60, clear and crisp. You can open up those windows out there, and then there's your Friday night football forecast dropping into the low 60s by the end of the fourth quarter. Might need those coats out there later on today. And there's that 7-day forecast for you. Warming up after the weekend, back into the mid to upper 70s and even low 80s by the end of next week. But no big rain chances at all right on through Thursday.
That's what we like to hear.
Crisp. What a good way to describe it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I don't know where I got that from.
Yeah.
Felt it this morning when I walked out.
Yeah.
Felt nice. All right. Thank you so much, Tim.